Hey, it's Brady the Gotti. I'm back again with 5 tips to get over that video creation block. Now, I've got some notes here with me that I'm going to be reading off of. I don't want to miss one of my tips, so bear with me. Tip number 1, use your first idea. You may think that your first idea is silly or unwarranted. It'll go nowhere. Nobody cares what you have to say. And usually your first idea may be your absolute best idea. Just go with it. And as you start creating the content, creative juices are flowing, more ideas will come to you, and you can just make this better and better. But don't try to perfect this in one shot. It won't happen. Don't let your mind get in the way of creating your content. Tip number 2, if you think that you've run out of ideas and you need inspiration, maybe turn to your favorite book or movie, or yes, even music will get that creativity flowing in your mind. Tip number 3, make a challenge of this. Challenge yourself to shoot your video maybe live, or if you do lives regularly, do pre-recorded. Maybe use a different style camera, lighting, a different area of your house, neighborhood, town. Just do something different to challenge yourself to make some changes in your daily routine of video content. It might surprise you. Tip number 4, ask yourself, what area do you want to improve on? Is it the actual filming? Is it the editing? Is it storytelling or story stitching? Whichever area you want to perfect more, ask yourself, what area do you want to improve on? And make it fun for yourself. Tip number 5. Hey, sometimes we get so wrapped up within our own little minds that we just get this block. If you just step back for a while, maybe read your book, listen to your music, take a walk, hang out with friends, focus on something other than creativity. This will ease your mind, and again, creativity comes with creativity. Now, I'm sure if you're like me, you need tips on creating content or how content creation happens. Within my school, I've got a course right now that I'm going to give to you free, 100% zero cost free. Just go to www.essentialcourses online. Essentialcourses.online. There you will see the content creation course. It's a video course that will be 100% free. Sign up, watch the course, and start producing your content today.